Have you ever wondered about ancient culinary traditions? Hi there. Welcome to Ancient Flavors, Modern Tables. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of ancient culinary traditions together. We'll see how these age-old recipes and techniques can bring new flavors to our modern kitchens. And whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or someone who loves to experiment with new recipes, this journey is for you. So let's dive into some historical highlights, shall we?
Ever wondered how ancient civilizations like Mesopotamia cooked their meals?
Yeah, and not just Mesopotamia. Think about Egypt, Greece, Rome, China, India, and even the Americas.
Imagine baking bread in ancient Egypt.
They had such a deep connection with their bread, often seeing it as a divine gift.
And those spice routes of ancient India? Exotic spices like cinnamon and pepper traveled far and wide, changing global cuisines forever.
It's fascinating to see the key ingredients and techniques these ancient chefs used.
Food was more than just sustenance for them, it was a vital part of their culture and religion.
So how about we dive into some recipes reimagined?
Sure, let's take those authentic ancient recipes and give them a modern twist.
Ever thought about what a Roman feast might taste like today?
Or how you could whip up a Mesopotamian stew with ingredients from your local market.
And let's not forget the health benefits of these ancient ingredients.
Did you know that many staples in the Mediterranean diet come from ancient Greece and are super healthy?
Think olives, fish, and whole grains. Have you ever wondered how different cultures influence our food?
Imagine yourself walking through the bustling markets of Marrakesh, smelling exotic spices.
And exploring ancient Roman ruins?
We'll document these travels together, bringing you stories and insights from historical sites, museums, and markets that celebrate ancient culinary traditions.
We'll feature interviews with chefs.
And historians who specialize in ancient cuisines.
Plus, we'll cover food festivals that celebrate these rich traditions.
Ready? Let's dive in and experience the flavors of the past in the present.
Host, have you ever tried cooking with clay pots or grinding grains using a mortar and pestle?
Viewer, not really, but it sounds interesting. How do I get started?
Host, in Kitchen Tips and Tools, we'll walk you through traditional cooking methods and their modern counterparts.
Viewer, that sounds great. Can I make these tools myself?
Host, absolutely. We'll even show you how to create your own traditional cooking tools and ingredients at home.
Viewer, wow, I can't wait to try it. What about ancient recipes?
Host, imagine fermenting your own garum and ancient Roman fish sauce right in your kitchen. Host, hey there, welcome to the Community Corner.
Oh, what's this about?
This is your space to shine.
Really? How can I participate?
You can submit your recipes, photos, and stories. Plus, we're hosting monthly cooking challenges inspired by ancient cuisines.
That sounds fun. Anything else?
Join our discussion forums to share your experiments and learn tips from fellow food enthusiasts. It's all about building a community that celebrates the timeless appeal of food.
Can't wait to get started.
Hey there, thanks for joining me on this journey through time with Ancient Flavors Modern Tables. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love it if you gave it a thumbs up, subscribed to the channel, and shared it with your friends. Let's spread the love for fascinating food history. Got a favorite ancient dish, or maybe there's a culinary tradition you're curious about? Drop a comment below and let's chat. See you next time and happy cooking. Hey there, if you enjoyed this journey, why not check out more of our videos? Just click on the links.
And don't forget to subscribe. We have plenty of culinary adventures coming your way. Happy cooking and see you next time.